If you're dealing with joint pain, low energy, brain fog, or just feeling like your body is constantly off, inflammation might be the hidden culprit. And the good news, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines to start fighting it. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 4 foods that naturally help reduce inflammation. And when you start adding these consistently, many people begin noticing real differences in how they feel within just 10 days. Before we dive in, this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or a licensed healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet, especially if you have a health condition. All right, let's get into it. Make sure you stick around to the end because number 4 is one most people completely overlook. So first, a super quick explainer. Inflammation isn't always bad. Short-term inflammation helps your body heal, like when you get a cut or fight off a cold. That's acute inflammation, and it's your immune system doing its job. The problem is chronic inflammation, when your immune system stays in attack mode for weeks, months, or years. This type of low-grade inflammation has been linked by researchers to issues like fatigue, weight gain, heart disease, and more. And one of the most powerful ways to calm chronic inflammation, your food. Number 1, and this one is a superstar, turmeric. The active compound in turmeric is called curcumin, and it has been studied extensively for its natural anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that curcumin works by blocking certain molecules in the body that trigger and maintain inflammation. Here's the key thing most people get wrong. Curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed, but when you combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, absorption can increase dramatically. How to use it? Add half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to your morning smoothie, scrambled eggs, soups, or make a golden milk latte with warm almond milk. Try to get it in daily. Number 2 is fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These are some of the most well-researched nutrients when it comes to reducing inflammatory markers in the body. Omega-3s work by producing compounds called resolvins and protectants, which actively help turn off the inflammation response in your body. How to use it? Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. If you don't eat fish, a high-quality omega-3 supplement from algae is a great plant-based alternative, but always check with your doctor first. Hey, if this is helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need it. Now let's keep going with numbers 3 and 4. Number 3, dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, E, and K, which help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can trigger and worsen inflammation in your tissues and cells. Leafy greens are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that many people are deficient in, and low magnesium has been associated with higher levels of inflammatory markers. How to use it? Add a big handful of spinach to your morning smoothie. You won't even taste it. Toss kale into soups and stir-fries, or build your meals around a colorful salad base. Aim for at least 1 serving per day. And number 4, the one most people underestimate, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain powerful plant compounds called anthocyanins. These are what give berries their deep red, blue, and purple colors. And these compounds have shown real promise in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation at the cellular level. Berries are also naturally low in sugar compared to most fruits, making them a great daily option. How to use it? Add a handful of mixed berries to your breakfast bowl, yogurt, or smoothie every morning. Frozen berries work just as well as fresh and are often more affordable and available year-round. So here's the simple challenge I want to leave you with. For the next 10 days, try incorporating all 4 of these foods into your daily routine. Turmeric with black pepper every day in your meals. Fatty fish 2 to 3 times this week. Leafy greens, at least 1 serving daily. Berries, a handful every morning. No crash diet, no expensive supplements, just real, whole food, consistently. Many people who make these shifts report noticing improved energy, less bloating, better sleep, and reduced joint discomfort within the first 1 to 2 weeks. Everyone's body is different, but the science supports these foods as a meaningful starting point.
If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. A friend, a family member, anyone dealing with chronic fatigue or pain. It could genuinely help them. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself, because you deserve to feel good.